My name's Leslie.
And my name's Anaí.
My name's Raylyn.
My name is Andreas.
And here we are the Advanced Culinary Students. We are juniors. And today we'll be showing you how to make tamales, pork tamales, which are very delicious.
What's on the menu?
Tamales!
So here we're going to walk through the process of wetting our corn husks. Okay, so here we take a dry one and then we're just going to submerge it in the hot water, just like this. You can do one at a time, or you could do multiple. And this is beneficial because it helps clean the corn husks. Submerge for maybe about 10 minutes in hot water. If you notice, it looks a lot more cleaner and just a little bit more flexible than the other ones.
We are going to use a pork's butt, but also you can also use a pork shoulder. Today we are going to cut the skin off of it.
We'll be toasting our comino. Now we'll be able to toast our chilies. Okay, so our next step is to de-seed them and de-stem them. And we want you to make sure to wear gloves because this stuff gets really spicy. On the side, we've already had some water boiling. Get them all submerged.
Flour. Supposedly there's a saying that if the masa and the tamales don't cook well, someone's pregnant.
And this is what it should look like after. Nice and smooth and good.
So here's 2 cups of lard. It helps it fluff together, which forms the masa. We're adding this for color. We're gonna add about 2 tablespoons. We're gonna scrape the sides to make sure everything gets mixed well. We'll do a pinch of salt and half a tablespoon of chili paste. Andrew scooping the masa into the corn husk. Leslie spreading it with the bench scraper. I am filling it with the meat, and Raylyn is folding the tamales. We're steaming them for like an hour. This is our finished product. We hope you enjoyed cooking with us, and Merry Christmas!